got the engine cover off and I'm doing the seat mounting. So what I've done inside is cut away a lot of this section, leaving this bar, the crossbar across there, and that's to allow space in this area for the battery. So that involves changing the seat mounting arrangement. So what I've come up with is this little bracket, and that's designed to go up inside the seat back. So it goes up into there, and then the locking screw in the back, through the back there, to lock that into position. The front also butts up against the front leg, and it's slightly wedge shaped as well, so the tighter you pull it, the more it wants to push this leg up against this front edge here, so it's kind of wedging it into position. So what I'll do then is I'll fit this into there, into the slot. So that's the back sticking up through. That's the screw hole, so that'll be screwed in from the back. The seat goes over the top, and it goes in, the back plug goes in behind, and the front lug is wedged out there. So it's actually sandwiched it all together nicely. I've got a little bit of trimming to do that, trim that off flush and fit the little screw in the back, and then that can be put back onto the dumper. And there we are, that's in with the seat screwed on. So it's very discreet and nice and neat and tight. All works. So I can put that back on now. The next job will be the underbelly, if you like. This will go onto the underneath. So it's a single screw fixing. So it's designed to sit, the frame will sit in these rails, in these slots, and then a single screw fitting underneath to hold that, and that will protect the voltage regulator and the steering motor. Drilled and tapped a M2 hole there, and that's got a M2 hole in the middle, so that's designed to sit on these channels like so, and then a M2 by 8. Okay, there we are. So that's that panel on. So that covers that up nicely, finishes it off. So we've got the seat on and the lower front frame done. I've just finished the flashing beacon light, so that's all ready now. I'll put a little, well, I've run the cable down the back of the roll bar and put a little 2-pin, I think it's SH or PH JST plug and socket, and I've run the cable through the wing section, or the inner wing section. Let's see if I can get a pointer. So the wire comes in there and runs up to the power distribution board, so he's plugged in there. So that's all working. So I've come up with this to use as a battery support compartment really. So this is designed to span across the inner wings with a single bolt fixing, and that will attach this tray and attach the steering column using one bolt. Got that in position, single screw fixing, and I've got the wire or the main connector passed through the tray, so he's allowed to sort of move in any direction, but that's the sort of direction that we're heading for. That will allow the lid to come back and around and over, so that's the whole thing together, as it were. So all we've got now is the roll bar, and that would sit in its mountings there, and the plug plugs into the socket,